Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to send a video to a chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC with the latest update. Whether you want to share a funny clip, a quick tutorial, or a special moment, you can do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to X. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have full access to all the features. Once you're on the main page, look over to the left side of your screen and click on the Messages icon. This will take you straight to your inbox where all your conversations are stored. Now, find the chat where you want to send your video. You can scroll through your list of conversations or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the person or group you want to message. Click on the chat to open it. Inside the chat window, look for the media icon. It usually looks like a small image or camera symbol, right next to where you type your message. Click on this icon, and a file browser window will pop up. From here, navigate to the folder on your computer where your video is saved. Select the video file you want to share, then click Open. You'll see the video appear in your message draft, ready to go. Before you send, you can add a caption or message if you'd like. When you're ready, just click the Send button. Your video will upload and be delivered directly to the chat, where your recipient can watch it instantly. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've shared a video on X using your PC. This new update makes it smoother than ever to connect and share moments with your friends, family, or followers. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your videos on X.